The last feature we're going to discuss is unusual features, anything out of the ordinary of your data. Unusual features can be one of three things. Clusters of data points, we have one here in the Great Spotted Kiwi. Singular data points far away from the rest of the data, we have one over here. Or gaps inside the data, and we can see that there are gaps inside our Great Spotted Kiwi data as well. Your sample size will be key to determining if your unusual features exist in the population. We can see here with our Great Spotted Kiwi that we have two significant data points, a cluster of 4 data points that are quite high, and a singular data point quite low. We are also seeing a few gaps, but we only have a data set of 37. Our sample is too small to identify if the gaps or even if these unusual features are actually legitimate and that we would see them in the population. Larger sample sizes are usually required to clearly identify unusual features. In our case, we can identify what we are seeing, but we can also specify that due to the small sample size, it will likely not be featured in the population. We can indicate where these features are currently and also potentially why they might be there. In our case, having very large data points in terms of the weight of kiwi birds, they could potentially be female and carrying an egg. And the lower one could be a male, not yet at full maturity. Which means that in the true population, we are likely to see more data points filling in the gaps and blending all of these data points together, and they will no longer be unusual features. Take care when describing unusual features, because if they are truly unusual, it is likely that you will need to do research for them. You are allowed to do this in the 2.9 inference standard because you will have open book during your assessment. For excellence level, it is recommended that you add research throughout all of your features, your shift, your shape, your overlap, your spread, and your unusual features, so that you can clearly understand the topic that you are discussing.